Welcome back to Travel and Street, your hub for everything travel and street photography, packed with tips, tricks, editing tutorials, and more to fuel your creative adventures. I'm very fortunate enough to have become an ambassador for Epidemic Sound, and because of that, I've got an exclusive offer just for my Travel and Street subscribers. You can get a 30-day free trial to explore their entire collection, unlimited downloads, totally free, for your next walking tour, slideshow, or film. Imagine your projects with the perfect sound, pulling your viewers right into the moment. If you're filming walking tours, crafting photo slideshows, or shooting cinematic masterpieces with your cameras, you know a killer soundtrack makes all the difference. It turns a quiet street walk into an immersive journey, a photo slideshow into a storytelling gem, or a cinematic film into something truly epic. That's where Epidemic Sound shines. If you've been looking for epic sound for your videos, then Epidemic Sound is absolutely what you need to try out. With over 50,000 royalty-free tracks and 200,000 sound effects, their library is a goldmine for creators like us. Think ambient beats for your street walks, emotional melodies for your slideshows, or dramatic scores for those sweeping cinematic shots. No copyright stress, just high-quality music from real artists, easy to find with their mood, genre, and tempo filters. So here's how you get in on this. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen and get your 30-day free trial now. It's that easy to unlock everything Epidemic Sound has to offer. Test it out, create something incredible, and see why I'm so thrilled to partner with them. What are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code and grab your 30-day trial, and let's make your next video unforgettable. Thanks for watching Travel and Street. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.